Barometer. Barometer. An instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. Example, a rapid fall in the barometer indicated worsening weather. Barrel. Barrel. A unit of volume commonly used for oil cargoes. Example, the terminal exports thousands of barrels of crude oil daily. Bay. Bay. A broad inlet of the sea, partly enclosed by land. Example, the vessel anchored in the bay to wait for a berth. Beacon. Beacon. A fixed navigational mark used as an aid to navigation. Example, the beacon marks the edge of the safe channel. Beam. Beam. The maximum width of a vessel. Example, the vessel has a beam of 32 meters. Bearing. Bearing. The direction of an object measured from a reference point, usually true or magnetic north. Example, compass bearing to the lighthouse is 0.45 degrees. Beaufort scale. Beaufort scale. A scale used to estimate wind force based on observed sea conditions. Example, the weather report indicated Beaufort force 7 winds. Becalm. Becalm. To be left without wind, causing a sailing vessel to stop moving. Example, the sailing ship was becalmed for several hours. Beds. Beds. Foundations or supports on which machinery is mounted. Example, the engine beds were inspected for cracks during dry dock. Bell. Bell. A signaling device used for alarms, watches, and fog signals. Example, the bell was rung every half hour during the watch.